When we're thinking about energy saving and saving money, boiling a hot pan for hours on the stove to get those orange peel to the point of transparency might cost a little tidy penny. So it's not just ingredients to take into account when we're thinking about saving money. We can also take into account the kind of cooking costs. So I'm not going to calculate those, but I can tell you that in an Instant Pot, we're talking about at least a quarter of the time, and it uses very little energy compared to having the gas ring on or your electric ring on. And that saves me time. It saves me washing up because it's all done in one pot, and it definitely saves me money too. So let's see what the tips are for making your favourite marmalade recipe in the Instant Pot. So that's how I use the Instant Pot for making my marmalade. So why don't you have a go too? And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and do subscribe. I upload every week, and I look forward to seeing you next time.